Hello friends, Namaste. So today we are going to talk about detoxification, and many times people ask me this question in Ayurveda, is there a way how to detox yourself? Because these days this detoxification thing is so much in, and people are trying detoxification by their own. You know, if you are doing something, if you are removing toxins from the body, so at the end of the day you should feel more energetic, more blissful, more happy, more strengthening. But you know, opposite is happening. That means what? We are not doing something right. Don't starve yourself like this for long hours and destroying your body. If you want to do detox, I can tell you like how to do mini detox, you know, small detox, which you can do by your own self at your home, and which includes is one day of the week. And you need not to go to very costly spa centers here or there to detoxify themselves. You can do it by your own, but under proper guidance, that I would like to tell you. Hello friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Srinagi. I am Ayurvedic and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So in today's video we are going to talk about detoxification, or you can also say like cleansing, or how to remove waste from the body naturally. And you know it with many other names. There are multiple names for this, and you can also say it as Panchkarma in Ayurveda, or it is also known as Upakaram, it is called Upavas, and there are many ways to detoxify yourself. It is not like there is one certain way for detoxification. There are many ways. The benefits of detoxification will be, it will enhance your digestive fire, it will help to enhance the absorption of the nutrients within the body from your intestine, because all the toxins will be removed. It will make you more peaceful, more calm and more balanced with nature. Also helps you to bring Vata, Pitta and Kapha into balanced state. And we all know, if all these three doshas will be balanced, health is a natural consequence. So this is a very simple and very dignified and natural way of removing toxins from the body and having good health. It makes you very energetic. At the end of the day, you will feel very much like, you know, newborn. It feels like so much pleasantness within, like you feel your body is very light, like, you know, sometimes it happens, you suddenly feel very light, very lightweight, very happy. Have you ever experienced in your life, like many times this happen, you go to bed but you are not able to sleep properly, and when you get up in the morning you feel like, okay, I am not very fresh, I am not feeling energy, you know, not enthusiastic, like okay, in the morning it's not like that, you don't want to come out of bed. Many times these kind of things happen. It will enhance the quality of your sleep, you know, because of these toxins. Many times this happen, people are not able to sleep properly because of, you know, viated pitta dosh or viated vata dosh. Sometimes these kind of things happen, and this detoxification helps to bring these doshas into balance. So it will help you to sleep better, you will have good quality sleep, and when you get up in the morning you will feel very fresh, very active, it's just like ready for life. So the good thing is you can choose whatever way suits you, that you can choose and you can apply on your daily life, how to do it, because you know it depends on people to people. Many people don't have much time. Let's suppose they are going to offices, they are doing this 9 to 5 job, so they don't have time, like how to give time to themselves for their own health, for their well-being. They really don't have time, and they usually ask me this question, we want to do something for our body, for our health, to remove toxins from our body, but we don't know what to do. So many kind of these questions comes to me whenever we speak with people. So we decided, okay, let's prepare something or help people by making certain guidelines, certain knowledge and the methodologies that are available in Ayurveda to tell people like these are the steps, these are the things which you can do and make your health much better and detoxify yourself naturally. So it depends on person to person and needs of person to person. So these all happens because of these detoxification, and now the question comes, what is the simplest way? For example, in Ayurveda we never support long fasting. As Ayurvedic physician, I would like to tell you, Ayurveda do not support long fasting. I have heard like people are saying they are fasting for 15 days or 7 days, a week, this, that. Oh God, because this will create a lot of weakness in your body, and you know, starving yourself is not known as fasting, because people have this tendency, they are eating whatever they are like, lot of donuts, lot of burgers, a lot of junk food, and they said now we need to clean our body. So how to clean? Do fasting. But this is not the methodology how you fast. Ayurveda supports intermittent fasting. So that intermittent means fasting for some gap and then come to the normal food, and then again fast and then come to the normal food. I never personally never advise any patient, anyone to do fasting for 15 days or a month or these kind of schedules. I never support. The thing is why? Because you know, starving yourself, torturing yourself, you know, making your body suffer out of hunger, that doesn't mean cleaning is happening. So if we do this kind of fasting, like long fasting, if you are doing, what will happen, what effects will happen, like you will feel very energyless, very starved at the end of the day, and you know, very lack of energy and very, you know, no energy to do anything. Then people have generally this opinion, like they think, okay, now we are suffering, that means we removed toxin from our body, but that is not the truth. You know, if you are doing something, if you are removing toxins from the body, so at the end of the day you should feel more energetic, more blissful, more happy, more strengthening. But you know, opposite is happening. That means what? We are not doing something right. So we decided to educate people and make something for the people's well-being, so that they can use it. Because if we tell very difficult methods like you should be like this, that, even then people cannot take any benefit out of it, because you know, they have office jobs, they have children at their houses, and they sometimes they have to take care of old aged people. So you have a lot of responsibilities, and in among all these responsibilities you also have to take care of your health and performing your daily duties, which are needed, you know, needed for survival, for all other things. So we decided, like, we will make something for the people which people can use for themselves. Or for example, like these days everybody started doing fasting. Even I have seen many times these pregnant women are also going through fasting, and they are saying we are detoxifying our body for the baby. So these kind of knowledge is spreading in the society. So I want to tell, like, if you are pregnant, you are not supposed to do fasting. A pregnant woman should never do fasting, because you have to take care of your health and child's health also. So if you are doing these things, please don't do this, because it's not good for your health and your child's health. At the same time, very elderly people who are after certain age, like sometimes 75 plus or 80 plus, they should also avoid fasting, because at that time of your body or that span of your life, your vata is already high. So if you do fasting at that point of life, it will elevate your vata too much. So at this point of time, body again need nourishment, and that time also, if you are very elderly in age, you should also avoid fasting. I would like to tell you that fasting is not recommended to small children. At least they should be above age of 16 to do fasting or start doing fasting. Best is above 18, but even after 16 they can start. But these small children of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years or 12 years, they don't recommend fasting for them. And also, if you are doing some kind of work during the day which includes a lot of physical activity, then also we recommend not to do fasting. Let's suppose next day you have decided that you will do fast for detoxifying yourself. But at night, if you are not sleeping well and your stomach is upset and you have not emptied your bowel, that in that condition we also request you to please avoid fasting, because in this condition if you do fasting, it will not be helpful at all. Also these days there is a trend to do fasting without even water. People are not even drinking water and they are saying we are doing zero fasting, no food, no water. So I would like to clarify a little bit on this point, but this is not the methodology how you fast. Many times I have seen the people who are having overweight, obesity, and they also ask me questions like how to open up their channels, how to detoxify themselves. So I would like to point out a little thing about them. If you are having these weight issues, so it is not that if you continue fasting for 1 month your weight will reduce, and this is not the way to go for weight reduction. If you want to detoxify yourself, there is a way to do it, but it is not the right way. Like you starve yourself, you put a lot of pressure on your organs by starving and tolerating this hunger, and then you are feeling like, okay, the fat whatever there was in our body, it is going metabolized and it is going to be used. This is not the right way of doing it. So many times if weight reduction is not happening, that may be because your digestive fire is not working proper, it is weak, and maybe it is generating a lot of fat as a byproduct, and that got deposited in your body at various parts. According to Ayurveda, fasting is the simplest way of removing toxins from the body if it's done in a right way. In Ayurveda there is a concept of ama. Ama is, you can also relate it with toxins, toxin is very modern word, but in Ayurveda it is called as ama. Ama also equally to metabolic waste or toxins. So in Ayurveda the best methodology that has been said to remove these toxins or ama from the body is upavas, upakram, or you can also say it detoxification with fasting. So according to Ayurveda, what are the benefits of this detoxification is, because this ama is a very sticky liquid that which Ayurveda says it got stuck into the channels of your body and it stopped the absorption of the nutrients from the body, and that is why it affects your health. Now there are various methodologies to remove this ama from the body. It is not ama is not generated in this person or that person. It's little bit ama is generated in everyone, every human being. It totally depends on digestive fire, what kind of digestive fire you have. I always advise people, like if you are going for detoxification or some kind of this cleansing procedure according to Ayurveda, I always suggest please do these things under the guidance of Ayurvedic doctor. And if you don't find any Ayurvedic doctor near you, so even if you are believing in doing self these things and you some Ayurvedic doctor is not under your approach, don't starve yourself like this for long hours and destroying your body. If you want to do detox, I can tell you like how to do mini detox, small detox, which you can do by your own self at your home, and which includes is 1 day of the week, whatever day you find it is convenient, when the day in which you don't have to do a lot of physical exertion and you have time to take rest, you have time to take your body rest for long hours. During that day you just be on fruit diet, whole day fruit diet. That is also a kind of detoxification or fasting you can say, and this is very helpful because it is a natural detox. Your body will get time to heal herself naturally. So this mini detox you can try, everyone you can try. But if you are a true seeker, like no, we want the real detox, then I would like to suggest first know your prakriti, what is your body type, because for vata, if you are a more of vata body type, you will follow a different type of detoxification procedure. If you are pitta body type, you will follow different type of detoxification and fasting procedure. If you are a kapha type, there will be different rules for you. So if you want to do detoxification rather than doing randomly anything, do in a proper way, and in coming few days we are going to make a package for the people who are really want to detox themselves and acquire knowledge what is the whole way of detoxify yourself, what Ayurveda has to say about it, what are the procedures that are written in Ayurveda, like how you can do detoxification, how it helps, what is the logic behind it, how this digestive fire works, everything. So we will put in this package so that it will helpful for people, and if they have proper knowledge, you know, then they can make their health better, and you need not to go to very costly spa centers here or there to detoxify themselves. You can do it by your own, but under proper guidance, that I would like to tell you. And if you also want this kind of detoxification package for yourself, you please write a comment below, or you please mention or write something, whatever you like to have, whatever your questions are. We would like to answer the best possible way your questions and your comments, or make a note. And one more thing which you need to always remember when you are trying to detox yourself, like I told you, in one day of any one specific day of a week, you try only fruit diet, or in the morning also you start eating little bit of fruits, because fruits are very good, they are very good for health, except for diabetic patients, because diabetic patients should take precautions, because certain foods they can eat, certain foods they cannot eat. I think you are already aware of these things. And the people with specific renal diseases, that kidney diseases, certain foods are, you know, prohibited for them. So that you take care of yourself, because health, whatever the present health condition you have, that also need to be taken in consideration before doing any kind of fasting or detoxification, because it is not like fasting is for everyone. So there are different methods and different ways for various diseases. If you have disease, even then you can do detoxify yourself, but there are different procedures for that. One universal procedure will not work for everyone. But still, if you have questions regarding that, you please write to us. We will try to answer the best possible way. So now with this note, this is all for today, and for our upcoming videos, please subscribe our channel. That will help you to be in touch with us, and we will try to answer your questions the best possible way that we can. So with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed.